Why your education is your future? Well, have you know at school it doesn't teach you just to add, write, or read. They also teach you to be responsible, work as a team, and take on challenges. The responsibility that each of you has for your education. It is the responsibility you have with yourself. Each of you has something that you are good at, and I know each of you has something to offer, and you have the responsibility to find out what that is, and that is the opportunity that education can provide. Maybe you could be a great writer, maybe even good enough to write articles in a newspaper or write a book, but you may not know it until you write the paper in English that was assigned to you. I mean, your homework. It will be I say, no matter what you want to do with your life, I guarantee you will need an education to do it. If you want to be a doctor, teacher, a lawyer, if you want to be a policeman, a nurse, or architect, you will need a good education for those careers. Of course, all careers need a good education. If you want a good job, you can leave school. You need to dream big. You need to have a good job. You need to have a good future. And for that, you need to work on you and work on your future. You don't have time to let fear, let failure, resignation, negative thoughts, or quiet enter your mind. When you enter in your classes, you need a good attitude. You need to share your opinion with your classmate and your teacher. And you need to ask. When you go to school, you have to carry the winner's medalist. When you have no idea what your teacher is talking about, what you will do is say, "Oh, listen, I only have one option, and that is the success in your class. But right now, I'm confused about the lesson you taught today, and I need clarity, and I needed note. You need to be able to enrich the knowledge that you are obtaining for your future, since you have to work for it and learn from it. And this is not only important for your own life and your own future, also is important for your country.